How to check your email and password on Oculus Quest. So if you want to check your email and password on your Oculus Quest, then first you need to just open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and then search for Oculus Quest, or just simply search with Oculus login. And here you need to simply go with login option, which will be on the first, and it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So you just need simply make sure that you've logged in. And once you're logged in, it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need simply make sure that you're under the profile section. So go with the drop down, and under drop down here you will have a lot of options, right? So if you want to know about your email, then you just need simply tap on Meta Horizon profile, tap on OK, and if you scroll down here you will have the account center, right? So you can simply go with personal details, and under your personal details you will have your contact information where you will have your email address, right? And if you want to know your password, then unfortunately it's not possible on Meta to know your password. You can only know your personal details like your email, your phone number, and everything. If you go with password and security section, then you'll be able to change your password, but you will not be able to know your current password. So that's how you can check your email and password on Oculus. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.